Alrighty, now this is going to be a first video for me for do-it-yourself repair. We're going to be replacing on a 2008 Toyota Tacoma the master clutch cylinder. And if you can see here, I don't know if you zoom in, you got hydraulic brake fluid. The seal or something has went bad, and this thing, and I've been smelling it for a while, but the clutch, and I'll show you what the clutch pedal is doing in a second, but I'm going to be replacing this. You've got two bolts on this side over here. I don't know if you can see my finger. You got a line coming in there, and you got another hose a little bit higher up. So I'll be disconnecting all those things and replacing this, and hopefully it goes smoothly. I've never done this before. I've never really enjoyed working on vehicles, but I enjoy saving my money, so I'm going to try as a complete novice do-it-yourself repair. I've already picked up the parts. I've picked up some additional tools that I may or may not need. Picked up some brand new .3 fluid, and I'm going to walk you all through this because, they charge quite a bit for doing this, and if it looks to me like it might be something that can be done with very little effort, and you can save quite a bit of money. But I haven't done anything yet, so let's see. I'll be back in a second.